guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very different but exciting review to share with you guys. In today's video, I'm collaborating with BABALABAGS, and they contacted me, reached out to me and asked would I review one of their bags. So I was always curious about this type of item, and it's definitely something that I have not featured here on my channel. However, the focus of my channel is creating a conscious consumer and how we spend our money, especially on luxury items. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing from BABALABAGS an alternative luxury handbag, and this is what they sent me. So this is an alternative to what is considered a Chanel classic flap in the medium size with lambskin leather in the so black hardware. So black on black. Again, this is the medium size. I want to talk a little bit about the company and their site, and I'm also going to discuss like shipping and all of that. This site sells alternative luxury items. So they have tons of designer options, all of the good stuff, bags, accessories, literally everything. The website was actually so much fun to browse, and I was super curious about the quality, how things actually look, the shipping, the process. I was just very curious because I want to share with you guys so you guys can be made aware. So when they reached out to me, I said okay. I was able to browse their site and select an item. This is what I selected. They do have like, I believe it's like medium high quality items, so there are two tiers of the quality. Again, these are alternative designer items, or what one may call super fakes. So whatever you may be looking for, they've got it covered. I did unbox this bag when I first got it, and I'm going to share that here for you guys to see. But the packaging and everything, just the way the bag came packaged, it was packaged within the box, came with a gift box with the magnetic closure, dust paper, the stickers, camellia flower, ribbon, like all of the extras that you would get if you were purchasing this item brand new. So that was very, very interesting to see. For someone who's interested in this entire experience, you are getting the full experience if you purchase one of these items. I live on the East Coast. The item shipped from China, and it was shipped via FedEx, which I think was really good because the tracking, everything was super seamless. Also, I didn't have to worry about any like issues with customs or delivery of the item because FedEx is a very, very well-known and well-used courier here in the States. So shipping was very seamless. Item arrived, and like I said, the packaging is what really impressed me because it was like everything was sealed, like double wrapped, very well protected. The item really came in gorgeous condition because of how well it was packed. my thoughts in this bag. As I mentioned, this is an alternative to the Chanel Classic medium flap in the So Black finish, which is the black hardware. And so this is how the bag looks up close. This bag is lambskin leather. And of course we have the double flap there, the zipper on the first flap. There's a pocket in the back here. Then when you open up the bag, here is the interior. So the interior is also leather. Everything actually looks really, really good, like very nicely made. Then it has the two kind of pockets here on the back, and then one pocket you can use for like lipstick or lip gloss. So one thing I want to share about is like my thoughts on alternative designer items, because I've never featured one on my channel before. I have discussed dupes, which dupes are quite different than an alternative designer item as this one. Like I said, they had reached out to me and I was very curious to share it with you guys. So I did this for you guys so you guys can like really see what the tea is, and you guys can go get an alternative designer item if you'd like. But yeah, they reached out to me and I thought this is just perfect. I think this is like perfect timing to review such an item, especially as we're talking about is luxury, is it all really worth it? So here we go, an alternative to a designer item. Now, my thoughts on the bag, I was like shocked, guys. Now, I shopped brand new Chanel. I own Chanel bag. I've owned several Chanel bags, and I must say, when I got this bag, I did not have much expectation because again, I've never had an alternative designer item like this. So I did not know, really what to expect. Like I said, how beautifully it was packaged and presented said a lot. The packaging and the presentation, it said a lot again about the company, BABALABAGS, but it also, to me, set more of like a higher expectation. Like, wow, this is such nice quality. This is such a nice, gorgeous item I just received. It just really, really helped contribute to my overall experience. And then as I unpackaged it and saw the bag, I mean, guys, this bag, look how beautiful that lambskin leather is. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see, but I've been wearing this bag and actually loving it. Let me show you guys. Guys, this bag totally exceeded my expectation. It's so gorgeous and I've been actually loving carrying it. If you're interested in these items, I would totally recommend shopping BABALABAGS. They have a phenomenal price point. So guys, just for reference, a classic flap in the medium size currently retails for $10,800 US. So if you were buying something similar to this, it will cost $10,800. These prices are like $300, $200, depending on what you're looking for. You're spending very little. Now you are getting really good quality materials still, so it isn't like super cheap. You're still spending because this is a high quality item. It's made of quality materials, right? And the craftsmanship and all of that is still there. I mean, guys, just look at that. So you're still paying for, again, a high quality item. It's just a huge difference. And so some people are just not willing to fork over $10,000. And I have to share this, guys. I was like scrolling, I think I was watching like YouTube shorts, and there were, you know how they have those interviewers, like, how much did you pay for your home? And they were just like interviewing people on the street. They were interviewing this older woman. I mean, she was older, but she was still alive and well and walking around doing her business. So point being, within our lifetime, guys. And they asked her, how much did you spend on your first home? Like, how much did it cost her to buy her first home? And she smirked and laughed and said $12,000. And I'm a millennial, guys, so just so you know, like, my age range, like, we couldn't even buy a brand new car for $12,000, let alone our entire house. So that and the fact that she smirked and laughed and knew, like, you people will never be able to buy a home at these prices. She bought a home for $12,000. That's pretty much what this bag costs today. And I just felt like this is all, like, I don't care. It's all a scam. Like, that video just puts so much in perspective for me, guys, because this person, like I said, alive and well within our lifetime, even though she's older, right, than me, she bought her first home for $12,000. And here I'm telling you that a classic flap in the medium size retails before tax $10,800, and add tax to that. Like, sometimes this stuff is some so because part of the goal of my channel is also to create conscious shoppers, right? The idea is, like, tapping into a luxury lifestyle, but also, like, it's like tapping into a luxury lifestyle, but also in a realistic way. So for me, I was all ready to try. When they reached out, I was like, yes, I'll take one and I'll share it with my audience. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope this helped you guys. I actually received a code from them, and I will put my discount code below. I'll also put their details in the description box along with my discount code. If you shop on their site, make sure you use my discount code so you can get an extra discount on your already amazing price point. That's it for today's video, guys. I would love to know your thoughts on alternative luxury items. Like, is it a complete no for you? Or at this rate, with these prices, is this something you'd consider to wear as well? Like I said, since I've gotten it, I am enjoying this bag a lot more than I anticipated. Like, I thought it would be something that I'd wear, you know, take photos of and share with you guys, but I did not anticipate, like, liking it this much. And I actually sincerely am enjoying this bag, and that's the truth. It's gorgeous. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section below. Until next time, guys.